What's going on, guys? It's Marcel Benson, investor and entrepreneur, and welcome to another daily trade. Look, before we get into the video, because I got a banger for you, I want you to just hit the subscribe button, right? I'm on a mission to get to 1,000 subscribers so I can continue to give you guys this anti-gatekeeping information about trading and ultimately improving your trading so you can make more money on a daily basis, okay? So today's trade was Hut 8, made about $400 something just simply by finding an exhaustion and a reversal, right? So early on in the day, I saw an exhaustion on Hut 8. It failed to go low, and I just simply took the reversal. So let's get into the charts. As you can see right here on the chart, I have my entry pointed out, and I also have the exit pointed out. Then down here, you'll see that I wrote logic, and this is basically a failure to go lower, and a retrace was very likely after that. So whenever you see a candle like this, which is a reverse hammer, if it's happening at the end of a downward movement, that typically means that it is failing to go lower. I know that's counterintuitive. A lot of people, when they see hammers in general, they believe that it's supposed to continue in that direction when the wick is, facing up. But when a move is going downward, the only time that a hammer reverses to the upside is, the only time that a hammer will continue to the downside is if it were positioned differently. Since it's positioned at the end of a downward movement, it's not going to continue going forward. Now, if this were at the top of a move, then it would be a reversal downward instead of it going back up, right? So I hope you guys follow that. Where the candlestick is positioned can drastically change what the candlestick means. So seeing this hammer at the end of a strong move like that means that it didn't want to go any lower. Okay, so I knew that some sort of retracement was imminent, some sort of rebalancing, because there was a strong move down. So I took the entry here, and then I rode it up to the top after it retraced, and then took the exit and made about $400. So that's a quick strategy. The orb strategy is usually what I'm looking for in stocks, but for some reason the market was range bound pretty hard in a lot of stocks. Like I was looking at NVIDIA, I had NVIDIA on my watch list. I had Palantir and Shopify, but they stayed within that 15-minute opening range for a while. So it was kind of dangerous territory. Now I know there's a lot of news coming up with the crypto summit taking place on Friday. So I do believe that we are going to start seeing a bounce in those stocks, but stay tuned. I'm actually going to be going live very soon. You'll see the announcement for it. I'm going to be going live very soon to show you guys exactly how to prepare for the next crypto bull run, and not by necessarily buying crypto, but by buying stocks that are closely related to crypto. Hut 8, Coinbase, MicroStrategy. Okay, we'll get into that more in the video. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.